Hi, and welcome back to the Anne Arundel County Public Library. We're excited to show you how easy it is to use the self-checkout stations inside our branches. You will need two things, your library card number and your 4-digit PIN. If you don't have your library card or PIN, wait in line at the desk for assistance. After you have selected your materials, take them to one of our self-checkout stations, and to begin, press Start. Line up the barcode on your library card with the red laser at the bottom of the kiosk, or type your card number in manually. Next, you will need to enter your 4-digit PIN. Tap the numbers icon to display the numerical keyboard and input your PIN. When typing in your library card number or PIN, do not add any spaces. Now you're ready to scan your materials and check out. Scan each item by lining up the barcode with the red laser at the bottom of the kiosk. Make sure you are scanning the Anne Arundel County Library barcode and not the item's ISBN number. After you have scanned all your items, tap Finish to end the transaction. You are all set to take your items with you and enjoy. The system will automatically email your receipt. Thank you for using self-checkout.